Hey there! Today, we're diving into an exciting journey of mindfulness and meditation specifically tailored for you, the middle and high school students out there. These powerful practices are not just for adults, they're for anyone looking to find a bit of peace in the busy, sometimes overwhelming world of being a teenager. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is all about living in the moment.
Unlock your child's full potential with our Social Emotional Learning (SEL) course. Are you looking for a transformative experience that will empower your child with the essential skills for success both in and out of the classroom? Look no further. Our Social Emotional Learning (SEL) course is designed to foster self-awareness, emotional regulation, social skills, and much more, setting the stage for a lifetime of achievement and happiness. Why choose our SEL course? Personal growth. Watch your child blossom into a confident, self-aware individual who understands their emotions and how to manage them. Enhance social skills. See the difference as your child learns to navigate social situations with ease, empathy, and understanding, building lasting relationships. Academic success. Beyond emotional and social benefits, SEL is a proven booster for academic performance. Equip your child with the focus and perseverance needed for academic excellence. Lifelong skills. Our course goes beyond temporary fixes. We're about laying a foundation for success that your child will carry into adulthood. What's included? Interactive and engaging online modules accessible from anywhere, at any time, real-life scenarios to apply learning in a practical context. Expert support to guide your child through their journey, a vibrant community of learners sharing the journey towards emotional intelligence. Special offer just for you. Sign up today and take the first step towards unlocking your child's potential. For a limited time, we're offering an exclusive discount, because we believe in making positive changes accessible to everyone. Don't miss this chance to give your child the tools they need for a brighter, more successful future. Spaces are filling up fast, and trust us, you don't want to wait. Join us now and watch your child soar to new heights with our Social Emotional Learning course. Click the link in the description box. Your child's future starts today. Let's make it brilliant together.